In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva designs to Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have your Canva artwork sitting in your Mailchimp content library, ready to drop into a campaign or template. Start in Canva with the design you want to use. In the top right corner, click Share. This opens Canva's sharing panel, which is where all export and publishing options live. If you only see a few choices, click See All to expand the full list. Canva groups destinations by category, so take a moment to scan what's available. Look for the section labeled Messaging. This is where integrations related to communications platforms appear. If the options look limited here too, click See All again within that section to reveal everything. Once the list expands, find and select Mailchimp. Choosing Mailchimp tells Canva you want to send the current design directly into your Mailchimp account's content library, rather than downloading a file to your computer. A panel will appear with a prompt to choose what you want to export. Click Add Image. This lets you select the specific page or pages from your Canva design that you want to send. If you're working with a multi-page design, pick only the pages you intend to use in your email to keep your library tidy. With your selection made, click Share to Mailchimp. Canva will process the export. Occasionally, you might see an error message at this point. Don't worry, despite the alert, the image often still lands in your Mailchimp library successfully. Give it a moment to finish. Next, head to your Mailchimp account in a browser. Once you're in, go to Content. This is Mailchimp's Content Studio, where all your files, images, and imported assets are stored. Inside Content, look for the Canva section or tab. Click Canva and you should see the design you just shared from Canva appear here. If it doesn't show up immediately, refresh the page after a few seconds and check again. From here, your image is ready to use in campaigns, templates, or landing pages. A quick tip: giving your Canva design a clear name before sharing makes it easy to spot in Mailchimp's library. Also, remember that images sent through this integration are optimized for email use, so they're generally suitable for headers, product shots, and promotional graphics. That's it. You clicked Share in Canva, expanded the options with See All, navigated to the messaging section, chose Mailchimp, selected Add Image, shared to Mailchimp, and then confirm the file in Mailchimp under Content and the Canva section. You're all set to design in Canva and deliver in Mailchimp without missing a beat.